Namaste, my dear student friends. Thanks a lot for your participation in the historic Mega Science Experiment. इस वर्ष भी भारत भर के हजारों छात्रों ने इस विज्ञान महाप्रयोग में सक्रिय रूप से भाग लिया है. As you have completed stage 1 of this experiment, we will go to the next and the most exciting stage of the experiment. In this stage, we will try to understand relationship between our food habits with that of health and our wellness. Once you log on to our website, you will see a link for stage 2 of Mega Science Experiment on your dashboard. चरण 1 के दौरान साझा की गई जानकारी के आधार पर चरण 2 में आप अपने डेटा का सारणीकरण और वर्गीकरण करेंगे. A healthy diet is the most effective tool to have a healthy immune system and thus our fight against diseases. Incidentally, our modern lifestyle has altered our food habits drastically. Our choices of food and lifestyles are closely related to our physical and mental health and thus our overall wellness. Thus, in this particular stage of Mega Science Experiment, you will categorize the food into age types such as grains, legumes, vegetable, milk and dairy items, etc. Additionally, you will also check whether you ate the pre-proposed or the pre-processed or the frozen food or freshly cooked homemade food. Similarly, you will categorize your food as raw food, fruits or boiled, or cooked food, or deep fried in oil. Finally, Ayurveda described 6 rasas or types of taste. Taste applies not only to the perception of taste buds located in our tongue, but the final reaction of food in the acidic medium of our stomach. आयुर्वेद हमें बताता है कि हमें अपने भोजन को अपनी प्रकृति के अनुसार और मौसम में बदलाव के अनुसार बदलना चाहिए. अर्थात यह वर्गीकरण हमारे भोजन के आयुर्वेद आधारित विश्लेषण के बारे में होगा. Remember, stage 1 you have provided your weight and height details with us. Now in this stage you need to calculate your BMI, that is the body mass index, and check whether you are in a healthy weight window or not. You will also give your physical activity such as outdoor sports, yoga, asanas, etc. and analyze and categorize that data too. भोजन की आदतों के आपके विश्लेषण के आधार पर आपको कुछ लेखन करने होंगे. इस लेखन में आप शारीरिक और मानसिक स्वास्थ्य का अपने पोषण के संबंध में अपने विचार लिखेंगे. And in another write-up, based on whatever observations you have made, you will write whether you're planning to modify your food habit or physical activity habits. And if yes, what is going to be the likely change in your food habits or your physical activity schedule? ये लेखन 12 भाषाओं में से किसी भी एक भाषा में प्रस्तुत किया जा सकता है, जिसमें अंग्रेजी और हिंदी के अलावा 10 क्षेत्रीय भाषाएं भी शामिल है. Please remember, we will evaluate your answers based on how you categorize your data, how you analyze and interpret the information you have written. Your write-up, your conclusions, as well as creativity and novelty in your write-up. The whole exercise will help you in understanding the medicinal value of food that we are consuming. आपकी सुविधा के लिए एक वीडियो हम साझा करेंगे जिसमें आपको VVM मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन और वेबसाइट पर लॉगिन कैसे करना है, इस महाप्रयोग की जानकारी कैसे जमा करनी है, यह जानकारी उस वीडियो में आपके साथ साझा की जाएगी. As mentioned earlier, all the participating students will get a gift from the organizers of Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan. This is a very interesting ebook entitled Scientist Greater Than Einstein, and I'm sure you will enjoy reading this book. एक बार आप सभी को इस ऐतिहासिक आयोजन का हिस्सा बनने के लिए बहुत बहुत बधाई. आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
This is a walkthrough for Eat Right Mega Science Experiment Stage 2. Now, as you can see, I have logged in into the student dashboard. When I scroll down, I can see here two buttons, Stage 1 and Stage 2. So I'm considering that you all have entered your entries for the Stage 1. If not, if you have entered like 2 days, 3 days entries, not a problem. You can go to the Stage 1 button. It is still active. You can complete all the other days which you have left out, and then you can go and attempt for Stage 2. So in this case, I'll go directly to the Stage 2 and show you how the form is and what actions you have to take. Alright, now I am on the Stage 2. It is here you can confirm. Now, unlike Stage 1, Stage 2 is not happening day wise, rather, you don't have to log in for 7 straight days and enter your data. All the answers or your responses have to be submitted in one go. So, over here, you can see here we have given a sample reference images about what are the grains, legumes, vegetables, eggs. So these are just examples for your reference. Now, the Stage 2 form is categorized into number of selective based questions. So first is the categorization 1. Okay, so here you have to tick what items were there in your breakfast, dinner, and this is to be answered as per your responses to the Stage 1. Okay, and how to check the responses for Stage 1? So I have to click here. Now, considering on day 1 I had dosa, chutney, milk and banana, and this is for the breakfast. Okay, so I'll go here. So day 1 breakfast, dosa, grains, legumes, I had fruits, I had milk. Okay, so this is what I have had for day 1. Day 1 dinner, rice, moong dal, cabbage, sabji, curd. So I'll take appropriate check boxes. This is all I have to do. Now I have to do this for all days. Okay, everything is optional. At least one checkbox for each day has to be ticked, and this depends on your answers you have given for Stage 1. Now, if you go down, there is categorization 2. So now 1 was of food items you ate. Now 2 is again the same, but the question, it's the category of data accepting is different. So here the only thing you have to check, was it a processed food or a freshly cooked food, and you can select only one. Again, you have to do this for all the 7 days for breakfast and dinner both. Now, categorization 3 is what you ate was raw food or fruits, was it boiled or was it deep fried. So I'll select it over here. Categorization 4 is based on like was your food sweet, sour, salty, pungent, bitter, astringent, and just for references, the examples are given to the right side. So say suppose my day 1 breakfast was salty, it was spicy, it was sour. Okay, so I'll check all the 3 check boxes. Day 2 was sweet, dinner was sweet, I had bitter, and so on. So again, I have to do it for all 7 days and both the meals. Now the next part is the calculation. Now here you have to calculate your body mass index. The formula for calculating BMI, that is the body mass index, is given here. And these are the entries which you submitted in your stage 1. So whatever is submitted there will automatically fill up here. For this user, so the height is in meters, so that is given here. Weight is in kg, that is given here. You have to calculate your BMI and enter in this box. Now if you want to check the the level of your BMI, like are you obese, overweight, healthy, underweight, so you can open this image and you can click over here and check, say what is your BMI score and are you within the healthy limit. Now next questions are based on some observations. So the first question is, do you perform exercise including outdoor activities? It's a simple yes no. If yes, how long do you perform in minutes? So it can be 10 minutes, 20 minutes. After that, next is how many friends do you have? Next, do you know the impact of nutrition, physical health, and mental well being? If yes, share your views. So, this is an open answer. You can type whatever you feel is correct. And again, this answer you can type in any of the languages. It's not necessary, it has to be English. अगर आपको चाहे तो आप ये जवाब हिंदी में, मराठी में, तेलुगु, तमिल, any language you are preferring, you can answer all these three answers in any of the regional language which you are preferring. Last question is again, do you want to wish to provide additional data on your food? So this is an optional, this is not part of your mega experiment, but this is just in case, if you would like to be a part of a broader experiment which we are conducting. So this answer, if you're giving it as a yes, we will consider your entry for that. Now I can submit stage 2 form by clicking on this button. Once submitted, there is no additional action to be taken on stage 2 because all the required data is to be filled up in one single attempt. And the next step, you will have to wait for the stage 3, which will be launched soon, maybe within a week, but as soon as it is launched, we will let you know.